First dance jitters. The gym buzzed with loud music, a rainbow of lights dancing on the walls. On one side, a row of boys stood nervously, and on the other, a group of girls whispered and giggled. It was my very first school dance. The music was so loud I could barely hear my friend, Lily, who was shouting something in my ear. The fast beat made my feet want to move, and soon all the girls were dancing. But the boys just stood there, like statues against the wall. Then, the music changed. A slow, gentle song started to play. I didn't know what to do, so I went to stand by the wall too. Suddenly, a boy from my class, named Sam, walked over to me. "Would you like to dance?" he asked, his voice a little shaky. I felt my cheeks get warm, but I nodded and said, "Yes." We walked to the middle of the gym. He put his hands on my waist, and I put my hands on his shoulders. It felt a little strange. We started to sway to the music, but it was not as easy as it looked. "Ouch," I whispered, as his shoe landed on my toe. He was bigger than me, and my foot started to throb. Soon, more couples joined us on the dance floor. It was funny to watch everyone. Boys and girls were bumping into each other and turning the wrong way. When the song ended, the boys all rushed back to their side of the gym. The girls decided to keep dancing to the next fast song, all together in a big group. Our teachers stood at the edge of the gym, watching us with smiles on their faces. I wondered if they wanted to dance too. I wondered if, one day, I would be a grown-up like them, remembering my first school dance and laughing about all the clumsy steps and nervous feelings. I sure hoped so.